Welcome back to Talk YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to recreate Netflix mobile navigation. This is what we'll be creating in this video. We have hero text, and this is the main thing we are focusing on: the hamburger menu and the slide in effect. And when you click again, it slides back. You see, black and red and white. So yeah, this logo, and when you close, it goes. You can get the source code of this link, this video. Link will be in the description. And let's get started. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. Okay guys, first of all I'm going to create exclamation dash exclamation tab to get the first set of keys here. And I'm going to link CSS. I'm going to link script app.js. Okay, and now I'm going to do is I'm going to your h1 enter net next. Okay, another one which is going to be a p tag. Hello, and we're going to have a div container and div card, and that's all here. And we are going to go to our Java CSS where we are going to style this margin and the tab and margin. Now we need asterisk selector here, body, and I'm going to create a dot container because we have container in the div, and container image which is going to be the Netflix logo, and container image which is going to contain the image inside an image. Child net child 3 and container content. Okay, so this is what we have done in the CSS. Let's get started with the JavaScript. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Let's get right into the JavaScript. Okay guys, JavaScript is just going to make the animation of the sliding effect. Okay, when you click the hamburger menu, all the things, the designing part is we have done using CSS. So yeah, let's do it. Last steps before we move on to the final outcome of the video. I hope you guys are excited. Let's get coding. So when you're coding JavaScript, when I'm going to start consist document. So query selector open dot container because we have container open and close. Open and close equals, guys, when you click the button it opens, when you close the button it closes. That's what we call open and close. And we have a open at event listener. Click container class list. You can get the same codes, link will be in the description, or you can start to get this code. You can just write consist equals document and tab. Okay guys, and last bit we are going to have a catches of open on, and that's done here. Okay guys, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's see the final outcome of it. I hope you guys are excited, and don't forget to get the link. It will be in the description. Okay guys, so let's see the outcome. Show preview. Okay, we have a hamburger menu and the logo right here. Nice. The image, mobile navigation, and I'm going to click. Nice. Look at, did you see that? The sliding effect. We have terms and conditions and all. Yep. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next. Peace.